Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2021 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Willys. Coming in as a nice black coloring, this vehicle is going to be powered by a 3.6-liter engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities. Taking a look at the back here, we got that nice tow hook, you got a tow hitch receiver, full-size spare tire, backup camera. We got the nice black hardtop with this vehicle, high clearance fender flares with the nice looking Jeep rims, rock rails. We do get the nice looking mirrors that are also heated. We got a lovely remote start, perfect for the cold winter months. And we got the hooks on the front. We got aftermarket lights and that nice Jeep grille. Taking a look at the back here, we do get quite a bit of cargo space, which is always pretty handy. You can collapse your last row if you need additional storage. Alpine sound system, tons of hooks and doodads to hold all your gear down, with a nice little 12-volt here, and you do get your normal storage below, and places to put all your bolts when you take off your roof and doors. Pretty handy, if I may add. Got some sound deadening headliners on here as well, so you can keep the sound out and in, which is always pretty handy. Taking a look on the inside now, we can see this vehicle does see up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black cloth interior, floor mats, carpet interior. You got a storage carbo cubby bag here with cup holders, storage, your windows, rear vents, and plenty of room. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a manual driver's seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Even bigger cargo net. You got your locks, mirrors, lights, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting 82,488 kilometers. Got this nice leather-wrapped heated steering wheel with cruise control, toggle-free screen, phone voice, modes and volumes behind the steering wheel, digital speedometer. We do get vehicle info, off-road info, fuel economy, trip info, stop-start, audio, messages, screen setup, all that fun. We got our four-wheel drive, our gear select, with parking brake and storage cup holders. You got the storage below with an outlet, upper and lower, with 12-volt. You got your windows here, media controls, so your aux, USB, USB-C, engine start-stop. You got auxiliary switches down here as well, which is always pretty handy with more storage. And moving up, we got dual climate up front, heated front seats, auto stop, auto start, traction, hail, screen on or off. Nice little grab handle here and above with handles below. We got some storage on the dash, garage door transmitter, and looking here, you got your nice big infotainment system, AM, FM, Sirius XM, media controls, climate controls. You can get it up here, down there, whatever you prefer. All your apps will be found in here, so we're going to click our backup camera. Pretty nice and high def. Can exit out, heated front seats, climate, and then your controls here as well. Pretty easy to use. Phone controls, settings, and all that fun stuff. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is B8374A, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.